Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Education Tech. Today video we will discuss typecasting in Java. What is the typecasting? The process of typecasting is converting one type of data into another type of data is known as a typecasting. So the next question arises is why do we need a typecasting in Java? So Java is a strongly typed language, means every variable must have a defined data type. Sometimes we need to convert one data type into another to ensure compatibility, prevent errors, or optimize performance. There are two types of typecasting in Java, that is a primitive typecasting and non-primitive typecasting. So what is the primitive typecasting? The process of converting one primitive data into another primitive type data is known as a primitive typecasting. There are two types of primitive typecasting in Java, that is a widening and narrowing. It is also called it as a widening is also called it as a implicit typecasting, and the narrowing casting is also called it as a explicit typecasting. So so the definition of the widening is the process of converting lowest range data to highest range of data is known as a widening. Mentioned in the previous video is what is the range of the order of the data types, that is a byte, short, int, long, float, and double. But the char is middle of int and long. So let's discuss with some example of widening. Widening is first example is converting int to float type data. Okay, so the int n1 equal to 75, okay, and float is equal to what we here, n2 is equal to, I just convert int type data to float type data. Okay, so I just put it n1. So what will happen, the data which is in the int, it will come to the float and it becomes a float type of data. And if you just type this out and type n2 and run it, yeah, we will get data 75 in n2 also. Okay, which is a float type of data now. Okay, so let's discuss one more example of widening, converting byte to short type of data. So the first is byte is equal to byte and 3 is equal to 92, and what we want to do here, we will convert byte to short. Okay, so let's take short, and 4 is equal to and 3. Okay, now what we are doing, this is out and print and 1 and 4. So what we will get here, we will get a data which is in byte, it will becomes the short type of data. So let's run it. Oh yeah, we will get 92. Okay, so the next, let's take the one more example, that is a convert char int. So char ch is equal to, let's take percentile. Okay, and have to convert it to int type. Okay, int and 5 is equal to ch. Yeah, let's print this out and 5. Yeah, let's run it. Yeah, we will get 37. Now tell me why we'll get the 37 instead of getting a percentile in type, because the char is always stored Unicode values. So the percentile Unicode values is 37. That's why we will get here 37. So suppose if we are storing here writing A, and what will be the Unicode value of A? A is 65. Let's check B. B and run it. That's 66. So what will be the Z Unicode value? So that is 90. Okay. Now let's so the widening is basically is converting lower range of data to higher range of data. One thing which you have to note is widening can be performed automatically, because in widening there is no data loss. Since there is no data loss in widening, it is also known as a auto widening in Java. So the next question is what is narrowing in Java? The process of converting highest range data to lowest range data is known as narrowing. In narrowing, there is a possibility of data loss. Since there is chance of data loss, narrowing it should be externally done by using typecast operator. The typecast operator, the process of converting one type of data into another type of data with the help of operator, is called as typecast operator. A typecast operator is used to convert one type data into another type of data externally. Let's discuss with the example of narrowing. So let's take the example of narrowing. For that, let's change the name of the class narrowing. Okay, so let's check for first one is let's convert long to short type data. Okay, so long and 1 is equal to B. And what we are doing here, we just convert short and 2 is equal to and 1. So here you saw that the red line is it's showing that the compile time error. Why? When we are performing the narrowing, you have to you have to perform that is the typecast operators. Okay, so the typecast operator is showing here and yes, okay, this is called the typecast operators. As you know that the syntax of typecast operator is data type and data is the syntax of typecast operator. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, this out and do what will we get to? Yeah, we will convert long type data into short type, because here the data is very less, means it's a 40. So and the short have a 2 bytes, so they can store that much of values. Okay, not a 2 byte, 4 byte. So it can easily store it. What if the value is high, means large number of values? So let's discuss that also. So suppose here we have a double increase is equal to 63.20. Okay. Now I have to convert into int n4 is equal to int n3. Okay. Let's run it. This is out and 4. Okay. Let's run it. Yeah, we will get 63. What we are getting here? We will not getting the decimal values. So that is why when we performing the narrowing, we will get the data loss. Okay. So in the sometimes you have to perform a narrowing when the data is less and the memory is more. Means when you're taking the long type data and the value which you are storing is 2 digits of values, in that condition you have to convert long type data into short type data. Otherwise you don't have to convert it in higher value of data into short value of data. And let's take one more example. Short and 5 is equal to 130 byte, and 6 is equal to a byte, byte, and 5 this is out, and 6. Yeah, let's run it. See what we are getting here, minus 126. Why? Because here what is happening here, short have 130, means short size of the short is 4 byte, and the size of the byte is 2 byte. So the here what we are doing is we just converting short type data into byte type of data. So because of the range of the byte is less as compared to short, we will get the data loss. That is why we will getting here 126. Yeah. As light is convert to double 2 int data loss. Yeah, we will get data loss here. That's all about this video, guys. Thank you for watching.